Yeah, it's something in the hood, but it's not a hard. Barber got me feeling good, fade with the charge.
What's the word, y'all? Today, I just got my spark plugs changed. I ain't really recorded. Just a little clips here and shit. I had to change my spark plugs. That shit was bad. About to go ahead and link up with Sky, my dog Deshaun. There's a car meet going on later tonight. Today's Saturday. It's always a car meet on Fridays and Saturdays, but normally, I mean, there was no car meet last night. It's kind of crazy. I don't know what the fuck they got going on and shit, but later tonight, I'm gonna slide to that. Hey, y'all stay tuned, man. Alright, y'all, we got the gang out. We're finna slide to Orlando. Instead of having that little meeting here, we're gonna slide to Orlando. They got some shit going on down there. Finna link up with my dog Deshaun. Got the niggas outside right now.
Way better internals.
Now put some boost money.
Turbo, we have turbo. Now that the manifold on there.
He gone. He out. He said, fuck it.
I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna get another light setup. But this one. I want one of these. Yeah. I'm gonna look for some way to piss it.
Oh my.
At the top of the food chain, dropping the cocaine, no game, shoot with no name. I've been sitting, I'm an addict. I been break the mattress with a battery on the attic. All your pockets on hurting, nigga, you could be my servant. Go to the line, young nigga, don't listen, I purchase.
Y la mujer de mover la nalga como chiquilla. Pero para igual yo le mandamos a hacer la fila. Tú me vienes muy pila y ni siquiera te despila.
están llamando para grabar. Listo, explícale que brinde, que no entiendo ya no yo sé nada. Yo no soy coches con el gusano, al porque facturo con el enano, jugando con el damos el tris y guap, pero con el micro.
Tuvimos de session, GLS, leche, volado en el G5.
Y'all, I don't even like recording other people's lifestyles and shit. It's a new day. Got a game today. Ugh, don't look at that. I got a game today. And shit with my team. Gonna play against OA FC. It's gonna be a tough game, but I feel like my team will be able to pull off a win. Never know. But let me tell y'all about my neighbor. I think she's kind of like crazy in the head. It was raining earlier this morning, right? It stopped raining now, but the ground is still wet. This lady is literally outside laying on the ground in the driveway. And if you don't believe me, I'm about to show you right now. The only reason why I'm recording this is because it's a problem. I'm not even gonna trip. That's her kid and everything. It's just my opinions on what, you know, it is, but y'all don't see what goes on. This lady, one time our garage door was open, and I mean, we're in the kitchen. It was open. She opened the garage door and walked in the kitchen. Was like, hi. You know, it's kind of like you're walking into random people's homes. We're not the only one, because a few houses down, another lady experienced the same thing with the same lady that I live next to, bro. One time, it was outside. She was digging up around the perimeter of the whole house. And y'all can't really see it. I'm not even gonna show it, but with that dirt, she went on the side of her house and basically made a drawing of Saturn or some shit. I don't fucking know, but this lady got some shit going on. Look like she got kicked out, or she's getting kicked out because they have a for lease homes. It's been a year. I've been living here for a year. She moved in the same time as we did, like a week after, and looks like they're kicking her out. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all. Yeah, she getting kicked out. Yeah, but we gonna see some bangers later anyways. There's a private meet later tonight. I'm trying to drop this video like next 2 days or something, depending on how work go, if I got enough time after work and shit. But private meet later tonight by Wicked Meats. Let's go.